Okay, I wanted to hop on here and show you this little portable stick welder that I received from the company. I was lucky enough to get it for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review, and it was absolute perfect timing because my son, he is a junior in high school, and he is taking welding next year through the community college as well as a class this summer. So I was excited to get this and asked my dad to try it out to see what he thought before I let my son mess with it. So my dad got it all set up. My dad's been welding for years. He's 64 years old, and he's done it most of his life. So he definitely knows what he's doing. So he was the perfect person to set it up and to get it going. So he did say, like with any welder, you have to feel it out and get a feel for it because they're all different with the temperature settings and everything. But he did go by the manual that came with it, which was very easy to understand. And he set the dial to where he thought it needed to be, which was actually the perfect setting that he said. And so he grounded it, and then he got everything set up with his gloves and with his welding helmet or shield, and he got going on it. And he actually said that he was super impressed with how well it did, especially on the first try. He didn't have to tweak any of the settings or anything. He set it to where he thought it should be based on the manual that it came with, and it was perfect. So he did a quick weld with it of 2 metal pieces that he had cut out. And like I said, it didn't stop. It didn't have any problems. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. So he did a weld across these pieces, and then he scraped off any slag on it, and then it was absolutely perfect. He was very impressed, very pleased with it. And it's very compact, which is nice. It has a handle so you can carry it around really easily. So he would definitely recommend this, and I can't wait for my son to use it.